In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make money with TikTok and Facebook Shorts. If you didn't know, TikTok and Shorts are almost in the same way, using the same algorithm. TikTok and YouTube Shorts all use less than 60 seconds videos, and these videos are mainly vertical videos that can be viewed through mobile. So they're mainly videos to be viewed through mobile. But what I want to show you in this video today is how you can make over $100 per day using TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Now, if you didn't know, you can upload the same video on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and this gives you access to even bigger audience that you can convince to buy your product. Now, you don't have to have a product. You don't have to be an expert in anything. You don't have to record your face on the screen if you don't want to. You don't have to do any scripting or any editing of their videos, and you don't have to do a lot of video optimization. That's what makes TikTok and YouTube Shorts interesting. It is almost a game changer. So how do you create these simple videos and upload them on YouTube and TikTok and make money from them? Now, at the end of this video, I'm also going to show you a cool hack that you can use to even get more views on your videos and potentially make more money. So if you're ready, let's get started. So guys, here is an example of a channel on YouTube that just posts TikTok. This channel mostly talk motivational quotes from people like Sundar Pichai of Microsoft, I guess is the CEO of Microsoft, from Elon Musk, of course, from people like Robin Sharma and the rest. So this channel, if you go to About Us page, this channel just began on May 8th, 2021. So it's quite a recent channel. How does this channel create these videos and how do they make money using these videos? Now, again, you can simply go on YouTube, type, for example, let's say you can type Elon Musk, and then you're going to get several videos about Elon Musk. So what you want to do, you want to go to one of these videos, and then what you want to do, guys, you want to listen to the entire video of Elon Musk and Tesla. And then what you want to do, you want to get to points like this where Elon Musk is saying something that is interesting. Then of course, the first thing you want to do is you want to copy this video URL and then come to say our website like Save From Net. Save From Net allows you to download videos from YouTube. So once you get to those points, you want to copy the link of the video right here, and then you want to click on download. This video is going to download onto your download folder. Then you want to go to an amazing tool called Canva. So these are things, this is now we're going to create those amazing short TikTok and Instagram videos. So I'm here on my Canva account. Guys, if you want Canva, please click the link in the description below. You're going to get access to Canva. It's a free version of Canva and there's a paid version of Canva. Paid version is costing less than $7 a month, which is quite a bargain. So click the link in the description below to join Canva. Now you've downloaded your video. What you want to do, guys, is you want to come here and type TikTok, because remember you want to create a TikTok video, or you can type YouTube Shorts. So if you type TikTok videos, it gives you these options. So I want to click on TikTok videos, and it's going to give me the Canva is going to upload several different templates that I can use to create amazing videos that people are going to like. So all these templates here are for you guys to use and create the videos that you want to upload on TikTok or YouTube Shorts and start making money. Now, if you look on the left hand side of Canva, there are filters, guys. So you can filter or these templates with regards to different styles that you want. For example, there's the minimalistic style. They have over 3.8 thousand templates on that. Modern style, simple style, animated style, aesthetics, and then you can click on view more to view all these different styles that you can use. Dark, frame, organic, whatever, guys. Those are the different types of templates you can choose from right here on Canva. The next part is the theme, which I think is even much more interesting. The theme here, guys, is, for example, you have a sale. If you're going to do videos on sale, you have a sale, background, business, marketing, food. I think for us, it's about motivation. So we're doing motivational videos. Just come here and click motivation. So once you're here, guys, it gives you all these amazing different templates on motivation and motivational quotes. So you want to pick one. For example, we can pick any other that we want. Let me pick on this one. So if I click on this one, Canva uploads for you what you call the editing window. So this is the editing window of Canva. This is where you do your editing, guys. So now I'm here, and if you want to play and see how these things work, you just click on this play and let's listen in. That's how it works. Somebody's typing and then there's a nice background music. There's some water flowing in the background, which is just amazing and catches people's attention. But remember, we had a video that we had uploaded on Elon Musk. So what you want to do, guys, you want to click on upload here and then upload your video. Now you can always use this button right here, guys, to increase the size of what is being shown on the video. You can upload your video right here. You can either upload the video downloaded from YouTube, or you can just come here and then you edit this video. You can edit this title here. You can edit these ones. So once you're here, guys, you can, for example, type your name here. Say your name is Nick, and then you can type maybe, and then you can type a quote here, guys. So where do you get quotes? There's so many different quotes online, guys. You can just come here and look at type motivational quotes on YouTube, and then, for example, like this one by Dalai Lama, which says, just one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. Then you come back on Canva and then you type it right here. Then once you type that, you can always, of course, expand this the way you want so that maybe your viewers can see it better. Then I'm just going to do that like that. That's it, guys. Now you can do so many things on Canva, guys. You can change maybe the font of this. If you click on that, you click on this button here, it gives you all these different fonts. You can use different fonts like that. If you do that, of course, it changes that. You can, of course, navigate this and maybe let's make it a little bit small like that. You can do a lot of changes, guys. There are all these buttons here that allows you to do all the editing that you want with regards to that. You can even animate this. If you come to this animate like that, you can even change how that appears. You see how that appears? All right, so now let's view this and see how it is. Amazing. That is what we want. So once you've gotten this, guys, and you are pleased with what you have, the next thing you want to do, guys, which is very important here, and this is where you're going to make money, guys. If you want to come to this button here, then text, click on text. What you want to do is you want to maybe, let's say this, let me pick on this text type. When I click on it, it's going to come here. So what I want to do right here, maybe you can put it on top. Let me just put it on top here, so that because I want people to see this. I'm going to remove that. And then what I'm going to do here is say check comments or bio. So why do I say check the comments or bio? Because for TikTok, the only place you can put your link, which I'm going to show you in a bit, is on the bio. But for YouTube, you can put it both on the bio or the description and the comments. So I'm going to tell people here, check the comments or the bio. Once you do that, guys, and you're pleased with it, you can also add maybe a logo if you have a logo. If you don't have a logo, just leave it that way. And then just click on this share button. When you click on that, it gives you this download button. And then, of course, you're going to click on download. So what Canva does for you is going to download for you the entire video. So once that's downloaded the entire video, now it's where you're going to upload your video. As that is downloading, guys, what you want to do, you want to come and pick a product you're going to promote. Remember, we're talking about motivational quotes. So motivational quotes probably is going to make people think about, I want to change my life financially. So you're going to look for a product, say, on different platforms. There's several products on different platforms that we can take. The first one that comes into my mind is what we call Digistore 24. So under Digistore 24, guys, Digistore 24 is available worldwide. The good thing I like about products from Digistore 24 is that they have what you call the follow-up sequence, where it gives your audience or your potential buyers an opportunity for them to know, like, and trust you. I'm here on Digistore 24. Remember, I'm talking about products on education or make money online. So I'm going to look for that category. I think it's on internet marketing and e-business. When I click on that, the first product that comes here is Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Park. This product gives you a 50% commission, and you have a potential of making up to $216 per sale. That is to say, if one person clicks on your affiliate link on this product and makes a purchase, you're going to make a clean $216 from that particular product. So how do you promote this product? How do you get the link? What you want to get here is the link that you're going to promote, and this is what we call affiliate marketing, guys. So you come here and click on promote. So say, for example, this product, guys, when you click on promote, and then of course it's going to give you this link. So this is my link right here. I'm going to copy that link. Then that is now my link. So what you want to do next, guys, is maybe you want to go to a notepad, and then you're going to paste that link on our notes. I'm going to paste my link there. So that is my link. But this link doesn't look friendly, guys. People don't like to see such links. They sound scammy. They seem scammy. They don't seem to be legit. So what you want to do, you want to come to another website here called tinyurl. So you can either use tinyurl or what we call bit.ly.com. So what these two different websites do is they compress down your link into a more cleaner, neater link. So I like tinyurl because tinyurl allows you to put something what you call alias. So what you want to do, you want to copy your link right there. So that's my link. But then tinyurl is going to show it for me that link to look better. And then over and above that, I can create something like, say, my challenge, which is going to be an addition, my challenge. So you can put something like my challenge 001 or anything that you want, guys. And then when you click on make turn a URL, and then Bitly does its thing, and then it gives you this nice clean little URL. Now you see now I have this nice little clean URL which I can copy. I just click on this button and I copy right there. I come back to my notepad, guys, and then instead of this link now I have this new link. Now we have shortened our link. So now remember, we have downloaded our video, we have our link. Next, guys, I want you to have something which is very important. So this is what you're going to put on your comments in the description on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. You're going to make sure that you say something like this: make $25 to $50 per hour on social media. Click here to do that, and then no experience required, get paid. So this is what I'm going to paste on my comments on YouTube and TikTok. Also, I'm going to put it on my bio and on my description on YouTube. So you see, you already have 4 different places where your potential buyers can click your link onto. Above that, you're also convincing people, or you're trying to market that link by saying, if you click on this link, you can make between $25 to $50 an hour on social media, and also you don't have experience required, and you will get paid fast. Why? Because people, as all human beings, of course, we know that sometimes doing social media requires a lot of experience. So you want to tell people that this particular product doesn't require a lot of experience. Plus, of course, you want to tell them that you are going to get paid fast. Of course, you don't want to make false promises. You want to make sure that you're promoting a product that you believe in and probably also use. Like the one I'm promoting right now, I believe in that product. So right here, where it's written the link, it's where I'm going to take this URL, and then I'm going to paste that link right there. This is what I'm going to paste on my description. So we have what you have the link, we have shortened the link, we have the videos from Canva. Now let's go ahead and upload or publish our video on TikTok and YouTube. So I'm here on TikTok, guys. What I want to do, when you're here on TikTok, you want to come to edit profile, guys. If you're not on TikTok, guys, TikTok is absolutely free to join. Just type TikTok on Google and you'll be in. Right here, of course, you're going to have your username and then your name. You can do whatever names, guys, you want. I just picked that for the purpose of illustration. This, of course, not these are dummy accounts I'm using. What you want to do is come on bio here, and then you want to click, of course, of this note that we made. Click on it and then paste it right there on bio. It tells you here that it only needs 80 characters. So it means you're going to delete some characters. So let me just delete this part here. So this is what I'm having right now, guys. So then what you want to do next, of course, click on save. The next thing you want to do now is to upload your video. So of course, to upload, you're just going to come and click here, upload. And then it says here caption. So caption for me, I always just use that 2 or 3 captions. You're going to of course, always have what you call hashtags. You must say hashtag passive income because I'm promoting an income product. Hashtag side hustle. It's going to be my caption right there, side hustle right there. Then of course, allow users to comment, of course. It's going to be public. And then of course now here you're going to upload. So you don't need a cover, guys. You don't need a cover. I'm going to click on select. When you click on select, of course, it's going to allow me to choose the video that I want. So this here is the video that I wanted to upload. I'm going to click on upload, and then it's going to take some time to upload. There it is, guys. It has uploaded. So that is your video. Congratulations, guys. You have successfully uploaded your first video. So that is done, guys. Of course, you just want to scroll down and click here on post. So of course it takes time, and then it posts your video. Let me just view profile to review that video. Of course, people, once they watch this, they can come to your bio, and of course when they come to your bio, they're going to see this link which they can click, and of course you're going to make some money from it. You must send people to your bio, guys. There's no way you're going to make money if you don't send people to your bio. So you've done it on TikTok. Let's now do it on YouTube. So on YouTube, once you're on YouTube, guys, just come here to this button here, click create, and then upload video. Then I'm just going to select my video. I know it's on downloads. I'm just going to click here and then select my video right there, click on it. Remember, YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos are vertical videos. So right here, I'm just going to say again, hashtag passive income, another hashtag, maybe motivation, will be motivated, motivational, and then maybe another hashtag side hustle. This is a side hustle kind of. Sorry, here I'm supposed to put hashtag like that. I've uploaded my video, I've given the title, and then now here is where things get interesting, guys. So just forget about these other things. What you want to do, you want to come back to your notepad, and then you see this thing that we made. Click it, copy it, and then type it right there. For some reason YouTube doesn't like that, so I'm going to remove that. And then so here is where you're going to make sure you must send people to this link, guys. You must tell them that check the bio or the comments. Uploading YouTube Shorts is very simple. Once you do that, there's nothing much to be said as far as uploading YouTube Shorts is concerned. Of course, you must give it some tags. These are my tags, guys. Passive income, side hustle, make money online, how to install is what I've chosen as my category. And then just click on next. And then because my videos are monetized, I'm just going to put monetization on. If I can make some little coins from that video, then click on next. And then YouTube, of course, has added this part where they are now becoming becoming more strict on adult content, violence, shocking content, and hateful content. This content is not hateful, it's not violence, it's not sensitive events, it doesn't promote any drugs or any dishonest behavior. So just going to scroll down to the last part of this and just say none of the above like that. So once it's none of the above, ticks all this, click on next. Sorry, you must click on submit first, submit ratings, because you are the one who is shooting your video, and then click on next like that. And then for YouTube Shorts, there are no subtitles, there are no end screens or any of those things. Just click on next. And then of course it's tell you no copyright issues found. Click on next. Then what you want to do, you want to put a video public or schedule it. So if you click on public and then I publish, of course the video is going to go live right away. So it's tell you here, we are still checking your video, wait for our checks to finish before publishing to ensure your video can be monetized. If you don't want to wait, save your video as private or unlisted, then come back after our checks are done. I'm just going to give them time to do whatever they're doing, and then once they're done, I'm going to come back and then I show you guys the most important bit of all this. People, once the video is finished uploading, just click on the video. Remember, this video is live, so then you have to click on it right there. Then when you click on it, of course, it's going to bring you to where the video, the YouTube Shorts is being played. So it brings you to this window. So let's say this is the video that we uploaded. So what I want to do, you want to make sure you come on comments here, guys. Click on comments, and then you remember that comment that we had. So this is our comment, guys. I want to copy this comment again, copy that, and then I want to paste that comment. Then I want to click on comment. Then that comment is going to be there. Here is my URL, guys. Now remember, we have not finished, guys, yet. We want to make sure this comment is always at the top of each and or at the top of all the other comments. So we want to do, come to these three dots here, click on those dots, and they say pin comments and pin. So what that does, this comment is going to be pinned at the top of the comments section. So if anybody goes to the comments section of your videos, the first comment they're going to meet is this comment, which is what we want, because we want them to see this comment first so they can click on it. Once you do that, just close this and just let the video run. So long as the video is running and people clicking on the comments there. So if you click on comments right here, the first comment is going to be a comment right there. That is how simple it is, guys. Now, of course, I told you I'm going to show you a hack, guys. But before I show you the hack, guys, I just want to give you an opportunity to go on the link in the description below. It should be the first link on the description below. It's an easier way to do all this, guys. Of course, as you can see, we've gone through several steps before we reach to the end of this video. But there's a simpler way of doing all this on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Twitter, or all these other social media platforms, simply by commenting, guys, and you can make a lot of money through this. So go on the description section of this video if you don't want to do all these things and get to know much more on how to make money online fast. You can even start making money as early as today or tomorrow. But lastly, guys, as a final hack, guys, you can do the same thing we've done on what you call Instagram Reels. Same video you posted on YouTube Shorts, on TikTok is the same video you can post on Reels. Reels will give you more eyeballs to your link which you want people to click. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Now, if you want to know much more on how to make money on online, then watch this next video right here, guys. We're gonna watch this next video.